525 species in genus Hypericum. A world of word, my exploration of the Hypericum genus. As a botanist, I've always been fascinated by the sheer diversity of the plant kingdom. Each genus holds its own unique charm, a collection of species with shared characteristics, yet individual personalities. Lately, I've found myself drawn to the Hypericum genus, more commonly known as St. John's wort, belong to the Hypericaceae family. This group of flowering plants boasts a global presence, thriving in temperate regions across the continents. From the vibrant yellow blooms of Hypericum perforatum to the delicate pink blossoms of Hypericum olympicum, the genus offers a captivating array of colors and forms. A diverse family. The Hypericum genus is a vast one, encompassing an estimated 500 species. This incredible variety is a testament to the genus's adaptability, with species thriving in diverse habitats, from meadows and woodlands to rocky slopes and coastal areas. Some species, like Hypericum calicinum, have even been embraced as ornamental plants, adding a touch of wild beauty to gardens and landscapes. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While the aesthetic appeal of Hypericum is undeniable, the genus holds much more than just ornamental value. Many species within the genus have a long history of use in traditional medicine. Hypericum perforatum, in particular, has been extensively studied for its therapeutic potential. The plant contains a variety of bioactive compounds, including hypericin and hyperforin, which are believed to be responsible for its mood-boosting and anti-inflammatory effects. Beyond its medicinal applications, Hypericum also plays a vital role in the ecosystem. The flowers are a valuable source of nectar for pollinators, including bees and butterflies. The berries of some species provide food for birds and other wildlife. My personal connection. My interest in Hypericum stems not only from its botanical significance, but also from a personal connection. Growing up, I remember my grandmother brewing a tea from Hypericum perforatum flowers. She would often share this soothing beverage with me, claiming it helped to calm the mind and promote restful sleep. While I was too young to understand the science behind it, I couldn't deny the sense of peace that followed each cup. Now, as a botanist, I can appreciate the intricate workings of this remarkable plant. The complex interplay of its chemical constituents, its role in the ecosystem, and its potential to improve human health. It all speaks to the interconnectedness of nature and the importance of preserving its diversity. Looking ahead, the Hypericum genus continues to be a source of fascination and research. Scientists are exploring its potential applications in various fields, from medicine and pharmacology to agriculture and horticulture. As we delve deeper into the secrets of this remarkable genus, we are sure to uncover even more reasons to appreciate its beauty and value. For me, Hypericum serves as a constant reminder of the wonders of the natural world. It is a testament to the power of plants to heal, to nourish, and to inspire. As I continue my journey as a botanist, I look forward to learning more about this fascinating genus and sharing its story with others.